Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Jigyasa Bhasin, a neurospecialist at Bharat Homeopathy. I am currently working on treating neurological disorders and I have many years of clinical experience and knowledge. Today, in my video, I will discuss the types of paralysis and its causes and symptoms. I know many of you are aware of paralysis. But have you ever noticed that paralysis can occur to any part of your body? You might have seen people with paralysis on different sides of their body depending on the types and the causes. Okay, so now let's discuss what paralysis is. Paralysis is a loss of ability to move or control muscles. You might have seen many people with no mobility in either or both hands and legs, or their mouth and face gestures may also alter. This altered or non-mobile condition of your body part is paralysis, when your body loses both movement and sensation. Paralysis occurs due to damage to your central nervous system, meaning when your brain or spinal cord gets damaged. This damage leads to the loss of message transmission between the brain and the rest part of the body, causing loss of movement. Millions of people are affected by paralysis all around the world, and paralysis has targeted them to the different areas of their body depending on the cause and type. Well, now I guide you on the types of paralysis. Paralysis is not just simply a loss of your body's mobility. It is something more than this that we need to address. I mean, it is very important to know its types for a fine and deep understanding of paralysis. So let's get started. The first type of paralysis is monoplegia. Monoplegia affects a single limb of your body. You can see in the picture that only a single limb is affected in monoplegia. It could be your arm or leg. This condition may arise due to an injury to the specific part of your brain or spinal cord, stroke, or neurological disorders like cerebral palsy. But in monoplegia, a patient only loses control over the affected part. The rest part of the body remains mobile. Okay, now let's discuss some symptoms related to monoplegia. You may experience weakness or inability to move your one limb. You may notice rigidity in your one limb or some sort of stiffness that may also cause pain. A loss of sensation in the affected limb will be felt in monoplegia. Well, this is all about monoplegia, meaning when your one limb is affected with paralysis. Now, I will talk about diplegia, when both limbs on the same side are affected. You can see in the picture that diplegia affects both the limbs of your body on the same side, be it your hands or legs. It may also affect both sides of the face. Diplegia is mostly linked with cerebral palsy, where motor functions are impaired due to congenital brain development or brain injury. In diplegia, you will notice that the legs are mostly affected. Now I come to the symptoms that may better guide you about this condition. You may experience loss of movement or weakness in both limbs. You may find difficulty walking, standing, or maintaining a body's balance. Muscle spasms can occur mostly in your lower limbs. You may feel pain due to stiffness in the limbs. Alright, so the next type of paralysis is hemiplegia. In hemiplegia, one side of your body gets paralyzed, be it your right side or left side. You can see in the picture how hemiplegia has affected one particular side of the body. It involves one half of your body. The side of the body which is paralyzed will lose mobility and sensation, while the other side will remain unaffected. The most common cause of hemiplegia paralysis is cerebral palsy. But there are other factors too which contribute to the development of hemiplegia, like brain injuries, stroke, trauma, and some neurological disorders. Now, I tell you the symptoms that you will observe in the hemiplegia condition. You may have complete or partial loss of movement on either side of your body. Loss of sensation in the affected body part can be observed. You may find difficulty in walking or maintaining body posture. Your speech or vision gets affected. Your face may droop to either side of your body if paralysis is caused due to a stroke. Now, the fourth type of paralysis is paraplegia. In paraplegia, the lower part of the body is affected, especially the lower limbs. You can clearly see in the picture that below half of your body is paralyzed. This type of paralysis is caused due to spinal cord injuries, particularly thoracic, lumbar or sacral regions, or infections, brain tumors, and certain birth-related disorders. In paraplegia, you will lose the movement and sensation in the below half of your body. Particularly, your legs are affected more, while your above body part remains unaffected. Now, let's have a closer look at its symptoms. You may lose control over your bladder and bowel functions. You may feel numbness or loss of sensation in your lower body part. Muscle stiffness in the lower limbs can also be felt. Moreover, you will experience difficulty in walking and standing. Pain in the lower limbs can also trouble you. The fifth type is quadriplegia. Quadriplegia is a paralysis of all four limbs. I mean, all your four limbs are affected, your both legs and arms. It is caused due to severe spinal cord injury, brain injury, or accidental injuries leading to brain or spinal cord damage. And in some cases, certain infections or autoimmune disorders like multiple sclerosis can also cause this disorder. Now let's move on to its symptoms. You will lose the movement and sensation in all four limbs of your body. You may experience difficulty in breathing. Your speech will become slurry and you will find difficulty with swallowing. You will lose control over your bladder and bowel. Well, I gave you complete details on the types of paralysis and their symptoms and causes. I hope you have understood the whole story of what paralysis is and its types. Paralysis is not just a neurodegenerative condition. It has affected millions of lives all around the world. For those living with paralysis, doing their everyday tasks becomes a challenge for them, and the loss of mobility often limits their ability to enjoy activities like sports, social gatherings, and the simple joys of life. I can feel your pain of not being involved in the mainstream of the world where people are enjoying their lives by fulfilling their daily goals and hobbies. I know the loss of mobility has certainly limited you to enjoy the life to its fullest. But no worries, you can again achieve your lost mobility with a holistic system of medicines. Yes, paralysis can easily be treated with homeopathic medicines, diet, and paralysis-friendly exercises. Bharat Homeopathy is a leading healthcare in treating thousands of paralysis patients worldwide. We are a team of experienced doctors who constantly working on treating several neurological disorders with personalized and customized homeopathic treatment. We have won the trust of thousands of paralysis patients who had earlier received treatment from several clinics but not gotten relief from their condition. Don't worry, you can also get over your paralysis and regain your lost mobility. Give us a call on the number and talk to us today. If you found my video helpful, please share it with others who could benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to Bharat Homeopathy for more health-related videos. Thanks. Have a nice day.